Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pupil Teacher Education. I hope you are doing well in your studies. In last few sessions we have discussed about certain topics of reading skill. So today we will discuss the fourth language skill, that is writing skill. So let us start the session. Today we will discuss about concept of writing, importance of writing and objectives of teaching writing. In previous sessions, we have learned that there are four basic skills in learning any language. Those are listening, speaking, reading and writing. In these four skills, listening and speaking are the skills which we acquire naturally. The small child listens others and tries to understand the language. And by imitating, the child learns speaking. But in case of reading and writing, these are the abilities which cannot be acquired naturally. We have to learn and practice a lot to learn reading and writing skill. In the sequence of learning a language, writing is the fourth basic skill. We have to learn writing in a formal situation at the beginning. Also, we should do practice of writing to achieve mastery on this skill. Because writing is considered as an important skill in teaching and learning of any language, whether it is a mother tongue, a national language or an international language. So, in previous session we have discussed that reading and writing are the graphic skills. But here in case of writing skill, we can say that writing is a productive graphic skill. Because here we can produce something new in a written form. It may be an essay or a description of a picture, dialogue writing, it can be a fiction, a novel, biography or autobiography. In writing, we can convert our speech into written form. Through writing, we can communicate with each other. Nowadays, in this digital era, instead of calling directly, we prefer messages, WhatsApp chat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and blog writing to communicate with others. So, various resources are available where we can communicate with others in a written form. Let us take a glance at a short definition of writing skill. Writing is a medium of human communication that involves the representation of a language with symbols. It allows a person to put their feelings and ideas on paper. The definition shows that how important writing is. Apart from this, there are many abilities, many benefits of writing. So let us see why writing is very important in teaching and learning process and even in a day-to-day life. So let us discuss about importance of writing. Listening, speaking, reading and writing are the basic skills of learning any language. Though the sequence of language skills is listening, speaking, reading and then writing, they are integrated skills. For listening, someone has to speak. If speaking, someone has to listen. While reading, the written or printed material is needed. But while writing, at the same time, we are reading. So while reading aloud, it develops our pronunciation, and while reading silently, it develops our vocabulary. It means reading also develops our speaking skill. When we are reading, it develops our writing skill. So all the skills are integrated. It develops our all the language skills. So writing also helps to improve all other skills like listening, speaking and reading. If we do practice of all the skills, the benefit of this is it strengthens our knowledge of grammar and it helps to increase our vocabulary also. The third importance is it is an important part of communication. See, as we communicate with others in an oral form by speaking, also we can communicate with others in a written form by writing. So through writing we can communicate with each other. We can express our thoughts, our ideas, our feelings to others, mostly in case when the person is not present physically in front of us. When we say that writing is a skill where it allows you to communicate your message with clarity. When we are writing any draft, letter or message, we reread it and make correction till we get the satisfaction. So here, in case of writing, we get the chance to make the correction. We can add or remove words or sentences. This way we can create our final draft with more clarity in our message or in our draft. The next is writing allows us to entertain others, to get the information or to get the knowledge. There are some types of writing, each has some specific purpose. Narrative writing like fairy tales, fables, fantasy, novels, fictions are basically written by the author for the purpose of entertainment. This is a creative kind of writing. Persuasive writing, here you follows or persuade something on a daily basis like editorials, ads, advertisements in a business field, or you can say business letters, book or movie review. And in informative writing, you explain the concept, ideas with examples like research paper. You can write with the informative writing, or you can write a report, reference books, you get the information, articles if you read you get the information. So these kinds of writing helps you to get the knowledge. The next importance is writing makes the records permanent. When we speak, as soon as the words are out of our mouth, they are gone, they are vanished. On the other hand, when we write, there is a record of whatever we have written. That never changes. It preserves our ideas and allows us to spread them as many people as you can, and they can read it. Today, we can read the epics like Ramayana, Mahabharata. We can read Chaucer, Eliot and Shakespeare's poems, novels, all they are preserved till today. So it preserves our ideas and allows us to spread it to as many people as you can. So permanence is one of the great strength of writing. It remains forever until and unless one is purposely destroy it. So here we have discussed how much writing is important. Now let us think about a teacher on the side of a teacher, because teachers are creating classroom environment in teaching and learning process for the development of students' writing skill. Before that, teachers should have to think about the objectives of writing skill. Here are a few examples of objectives. Ability to put the sounds on a graphic form according to the sounds spelling rule. Here the teacher should think about the graphic symbols and the sound symbols. The student should be write whatever they have speak in a written form in a graphic symbols. Ability to write letters at a proper speed, considering shape and size of letters, distance between two letters and words. Here the teacher should pay attention how the students are writing, their speed, how they are writing the letters, the size of the letters and the shape of letters, and the distance between the letter and words. The next objective is ability to spell English words correctly. The teacher should check whether the students are writing with correct spelling, ability to use correct punctuation marks. So here teacher will check the punctuation marks, ability to structure sentences and paragraph. Here the teacher should teach the students how to construct the sentences and the paragraph, ability to organize thoughts and ideas in a logical sequence. Here the students have to organize their thoughts and idea in a logical sequence. They have to write in a paragraph. According to the pre-decided objectives, teachers can create classroom situation for teaching writing and create various kinds of activities for developing the writing skill of their students. You can conduct as many as activities for the students and for the development of writing skill of your students. I hope guys you enjoyed this session, and the session will be beneficial to you in your teaching of English, especially teaching of writing skill. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.